Once again in Thyroid Diagnostic Center, we solve all your health problems such as prostate problems, infertility, you've been married for so long and no fruit of the womb, low sperm count, stomach ulcer, fibroid, liver and kidney problems. If you have all these problems and more, do make a date with Dr. Marina on Health Solution
for deep medical science facts and home remedy.
Hello viewers, today we are continue our discussion about the disease which nobody can detect in the earlier stages, and when it is coming more deep, it is give a lot of impact for the human health. It is just changing the heart beating, it is making a burning sensation, over sweat, heat, weakness, tiredness, sleeping, and a lot of points. And today we will discuss about the disease which is associated with the thyroid gland. Thyroid gland, it is an organ which is just part of the endocrine system, which is located on top of trachea. And if you can see, like some of the people has some of the like a thickness tumor which is just swelling on the neck, end of the neck, and it is just giving the swelling. A lot of people start feel like they have some of the extensive heart beating, or they have some of the extensive temperature, or the cold, or sweat, or weakness, tiredness, how I mentioned already. This organ, it is a part of endocrine system, and we have the hormones which is just supposed to give a balance inside in our body. And that hormones it is producing inside in our brain, where the center and computer of all our humans regulation and other, it is the hypophysis and hypothalamus inside in the head. And it is pituitary gland where they're producing another hormones which is stimulate, produce another hormones which is called triiodthyronine and thyroxine, or how the scientific people knows that this is a T3 and T4, which is giving a huge impact to the human's body. It is control and regulate. Number one, metabolism. It means how the food and our life processing is moving in this world. The second point, it is helping our body grow from childhood, when our body start grow tall, and we start to have another impacts for the fertility, for another points, and it is just helping for our brain function, our mind, and another connection to the brain health, for our mental health. It is giving impact. It is giving impact for the muscular structure, that you can be strong and active with the muscles, or you can feel like all the time weakness, tiredness, and you are just doesn't have power to move.
Yahwehfoa mungu so ehwe ye programs ye na ye toa ye nkomodie afa yare a ehinta ewo ye nipadua nim na yenhu ne ntem na ebedu mpempenso a ye behu no na akofa nsunsanso boni bebre e de abre ye nipadua ene ye di nkomo afa ye honam akwa bi a ye frɛ no thyroid gland ewo ye minimu ewo ye honam na kwa ba bi a ye frɛ no trachea. So edidwumadi bebre esiesie ahosuo wɔ nipadua ni mu a eboa ehyehyɛ ye nipadua no sɛ de yesi edi edwuma ɛfa sɛ yɛhwɛ saa ye honam akware a yɛfrɛ no thyroid gland na enema bebre ɛna anasɛ ye honam na kwa ɛyɛ yɛadwene ye brain no ɛno na akware te sɛ computer control anasɛ ehyehyɛ ye honam na edwumadie bi a yɛdi na esiesie ahosuo bi efiri ye adwene no ba bi a yɛfrɛ no pituitary gland na de saa ahosuo yi aba ye thyroid gland no mu akyerɛ no nso dwumadi a ontoa so enni sɛ ɛno nso besiesie ahosuo bi a yɛfrɛ no thyroxine ene T anasa ye 2 din say T3 anasa T4 eye omo ye abode nhwehwemu no say de omusi eka no na saa ye thyroid gland yi ni hormones a esiesie no ehhehye anasa regulate nyema bebre we ni pedue mu say de wo ho besi ayehye say de wo ho besi ayenwunu say de wo honam na kwa ebedi ni dwumadi afa ye friend metabolism afin so wan kasa he won ma na ase wura ho ase wani age ye friend mood no saa hormones yi eboa ehhehye ne pepepe afin so esa ewo sunsanso ewo ba awodi anase se oba betimi awo anase wontimi se ahosuo yi ekofo ma anase edoso pii a edi sunsanso bebre na eba obi ono na ntika kra bi ana wabre ewo mu anso ana nakoma ebo ntentem anajo emfifre be free ni bebre ye honama kwa ye friend no thyroid gland yi se temache eba ho a ahyase no ebe hinta wo ni pedue ni mu a kodu mpempenso a enema a ye boboso yi no ebeda adi wo ni pedue mu no na chese eya ase kra eno enene ye be chirichiri mu na se enema a ye boboso no bi da adi wo ni pedue mu a wo betu anamo no waba yaso eye na enuro soronko a yesiesie a enye operation asembia ye de bema wo a ebe hihye wo hosuo a thyroid gland na edeba.
Now, when the hormone has imbalance, what is happening and what is caused it? We can just look for that points, what is caused. We can discuss now about one of the point when it is iodine deficiency. Traditionally, in a lot of tribes, a lot of areas in Africa, people traditionally eat mostly vegetarian or meat, and the seafood traditionally is not present in their food. And this is caused iodine deficiency. Iodine, it is just chemical ingredient which is necessary for the function of that thyroid gland, which nobody see on the initially, and deficiency of that iodine start create different points. Like thyroid glands start to have enlargement because hormone and that iodine is not coming enough. And the gland automatically start producing more and more receptors to find the hormones because the production of the hormones start greatly coming down. And necessary to find it more. That the blood circulation inside in the gland, it starts spreading and giving more pressure and affected that metabolism inside in the human's body start changing and the power of the metabolism, or it is increasing too much that the people always want to eat, or it is coming down that they don't have appetite, and in the same time it start affecting the muscle structure, that people start feel weakness, tiredness, and it is just two different points when we have a disease like hypothyroidism or hyperthyroidism. It means deficiency or hyperextensive production of the hormones.
Yahunama kwa ye di hun komo setemachi eba mu a na husu a esiesie no enhihye eyie no ye wo bibi a esi wo ye nipadua nim anase ne faribai ana bibi etechema ewo saa ye ahunama kwa ye thyroid gland ne dwumadi a edi no a ene kofa sensunsanso na edeba ehwehwemu kire se ye wo aduane nnuro bi a ye frɛ no iodine iodine deficiency na se saa aduane nnuro no se unipadua no enni ne dodo anase de nipadua ne hia de asiesie ye thyroid gland anase ye thyroid gland ne befa saa aduane nnuro no de ahyehye ahosuo ye hormones amana gudi dwuma kama ewe nipadua ne mu a edi nsunsanso bebre na eba na yewo emumienu yewo se thyroid gland no eye adwuma ebroso esiesi ahosuo ni bebre de efre no hyperthyroidism akyɛ sɛ hormones no ɛkɔ soro nti obi nsunsuanso bɔne a ebetumi de aburo nipadua no sɛ obi wɔ hɔ nom a obedidi ntɛntɛm odidi sesi a ne kɔm de no na kyɛ sɛ ama ne metabolism no yɛ dɛ ɛkɔ soro ɔno nso a ɔnyɛ kɛse afei n'akoma ɛbɛbɔ ntɛntɛm anadwo ɔda a mfifire bɛfiri ne bebree wei no ɛyɛ nsunsuanso a obi a n'ahosuo ɛyɛ thyroid hormones no ɛwɔ soro no ɛde ba ɛna yɛwɔ deɛ hormones no ɛwɔ fam deɛ frɛ no hypothyroidism ɛno nso nsunsuanso a ɛde ba ɛde sɛ nipa no onni ahokama anaasɛ loss of appetite aduane koraa ɛnyɛ ne dɛ ontimi ɛnidi afei na ma ne wedeɛ no ɛtete ayɛ basabasa na wafɔn wɔnante kakraa bi a na wabrɛ wɔyɛ bibi kakraa bi na wayɛ mmerɛ kyɛ sɛ wohu sɛ ne nipadua no ankasa ɛnsisi so yie wei yɛ nsunsuanso a sɛ temakyeɛ ba wo thyroid gland no sɛ hormones no bɛwɔ fam anaasɛ ɛbɛwɔ soro ɛde brɛ yɛ nipadua no na afei ɛmma yɛ honam na kwa anaasɛ yɛ apɔmuden ankasa ɛnsisi so yie ɛmyɛ ntimi ni edwuma daadaa sɛdeɛ kiyɛpɛ.
This hypothyroidism and hyperthyroidism affected the heart rhythm. And when the people start feel like the heart is beating so fast and they start feel like burning sensation in the chest, they usually rush to the hospitals. They are given and start do their ECG, like electrocardiogram for the heart condition, and they're telling everything is fine. And they couldn't find, and the swelling of the thyroid is not coming yet. The people don't understand, and they start take a lot of different pills, a lot of different tablets, and they spoil their health conditions because nobody detect that the problem start relate to the thyroid gland. Additionally, we want to take a point which is affecting the fertility issue. When the menstrual cycle of the lady was normal 5-7 days bleeding, and one day the lady see like it is a 4 days, then it is a 3 days, then it is a 2 days, and the bleeding stay thick and black, and it is not coming normally. She feel that something abnormal. She couldn't conceive. Problems with the family, and all the problem is related to the thyroid gland because the hormones is not producing well. And the solution is very easy, that necessary to take correct herbal medicine to save your fertility. Because if you start use the chemical medicine, it will make hormonal imbalance too much, and if it is one hormone is jumping up, another will push it down. And to make a balance of them with the chemical medicine, it will be so difficult. This is why we offer our viewers that don't be in a hurry. Visit our facility and we give you the herbal remedy which can balance your hormones smoothly and stabilize and normalize all the reproductive function. Plus additionally, function of the thyroid gland, function and heart rate of your heart. It will function and normalize your metabolism with the stomach, that you stop losing your weight. Or sometimes the people start grow like on the east, like a bakeries, coming bigger, bigger, bigger in a short time. Eating small, but the body is growing tough. This is need to find the problem inside in the thyroid gland. And I want to take your attention that it is not always when you are going to laboratory, the laboratory test will show, because they have a normal range from one figure to another figure, and the gap between them is so huge. And if you can notify that some of the parameter is going to the higher level and another is coming in normal range, but it is coming to the low level, need to take attention. Need to take attention for the conditions. Need to do additionally the ultrasound scan of the thyroid gland to see how is the real conditions and notify what is really going on. It is very important to take attention for that points in time, because if you are not doing it in time, it is give you serious negative impact to your heart. It will give negative impact for your liver. Additionally, it will be overproduction of the cholesterol, blocking your blood vessels, blocking and affecting and create osteoporosis when your bones stay so weak and it is always fractures and another. People complain backbone, knee pain and another pain, and nobody understands that the points and the roots of all that symptoms and all that diseases just deficiency of iodine and effect of the thyroid gland.
Thyroid gland mu hawa ebetimi aba oni pedua so na setmachi eba mu na ni dwumadie ensisi so yi a ebetimi de abrew de frɛ no hyperthyroidism na chese hormones no ekosoro no eye palpitation obi wo hono ma na koma wo hono ma na ebo peri enso ye be checke anase wo be ko ayaresabia a ye be hwɛ sabi ne blood pressure anase yi no na omusi how be any and so na koma no ebo no peri or this ha complain you kwaya sabia pe ye be ka che ne se onkotwa electrocardiogram ye friend ECG no e be ba enam se wakoma no ebo ntentenu ntenu ye se wo how ewo wakoma no na so enye how a eye wakoma no ne de bae na emum eye thyroid gland no e na ni dwuma yi ensisi so a edisa nsunsanso na ebrew enunti no wanya obi a owo ayaresa ho nimdie anye hwehwemu wo nipadua no nyina na wotimi ede treatment amawa afeni akosi samuro eye chemicals amawo amawo no se de be ya wakoma na ebo ntentem no be kofom enu nso go nsunsanso bebre na chese wo husuo na ensisi so yie no ene de saa ohaw na ye de abrew na emum enye se wakoma ene tomachi bi aba ho afen so ohaw ba ko a se thyroid gland ni dwumadi a yedi ni nsisi so yi a ede bre oba eye infertility na chese oba no ntimi nyinsen emmo na afe ede ohaw kese abeto abusuo mu emma anigye eni abusuo mu ube ware emfie bebre setmachie ba thyroid hormones no se de nipadua no siesie ne pe a oba bi wo ha obu ne nsa enanum the friend 5 days no moja ne beba kama afe ubo nse atiaba nansa efiri nansa ko ohun moja bi abi obu onso a namielu pe obu ne nsa 2 days na moja na ye dey etwa eye ohawa thyroid gland no temachi aba mu ntimi siesie ahosuo ni yie no ene de sensunsanso ne ebrew ubechina nanti akwayare sabia nya ye ohwehwemu bebre yehu ensunsanso bone a eba woni padua so na ema wudidi kakra bi afe na ema wo eye kese obi ho a wodidi ntenten aduane no obedi ketua bi so no na oputi onwet ohun se na nafu ye kese ni nipadua na kwa anase wo ye kese a wadwene ho a wonte ase setmachie eba thyroid gland ne so a itimi de sansunsanso de eba ebebi ukwa yaresabia na se ukọ laboratory bebi a ye moja mu hwehwemu ni etwe moja eye hwehwemu se ye pesi ehun temachi aba thyroid gland aya na edinyi efise wo hwe lab results na wanya obi a wo yare hu ni bia efise ye wo range e free figure baako ekodu baako de wo form ene de wo so didi so wunya doctor ni a owo experience ni wo say sabi wo value na ye nyaaye no e ben form wo de e wo so na ezunsanso na wo bobo so e kire doctor no e kire se wo sa tamachi no e wo unipedua mu enunti na ye to ye nsa afro se braya so ye ne behia Dr. Marina ene na dokotafo na ye aduro soronko eye natural medicine herbal combination ye de bema wo a ebesiesie wo thyroid gland na hihye hormones ne pepepe emfa nsunsanso bia emma na wankasa obehu se oba woto na mo ananti akoba bi bebre ya yewo test ahuduo nyina na nyinse ntimi mba yesi wo problem with fertility no na so utu anamomba na ebeye eduro baako pe anansa eduro mienu pe ene yede bema wo a ekosiesi o thyroid gland eni hormone so no a ebema enije aba obrabo.
Existing method of therapy, thyroid hyperthyroidism, like diffuse goiter, always it is a surgery. When they remove the thyroid gland, part of the gland or the full complete gland, this is caused that you need to be on the hormone replacement therapy forever. And it just make a lot of discomfort and negative impact to your body that you must stay on the pharmaceutical product all your life. This is a huge discomfort. We offer alternative way, like alternative medicine specialist clinic. We offer you some of the herbal combination with the two components. One of the component, it is a huge quantity of the iodine, chromium, selenium, and other substances which is inside. It will be just balance the minerals inside in the body. And the second component, it is shrink and dissolve the cumulative tissue. It means the cyst, the diffuse goiter, the enlargement, and what is caused the tumor and enlargement. That product is just shrink and dissolve that problems. You will be surprised that during 3 months, all these huge problems can be dissolved. We just invite you to our place. You can go and visit our website www.dimedghana.com, or you can contact us to the telephone numbers which you can see on the screen in Ghana, Accra, Kumasi, Tamale, or Takoradi, or it is in Nigeria, Lagos, Victoria Island, 32 at the Tukumba at the Mola Street. You are welcome to our place. Stay with us.
Your thyroid ya yegusu di hu komo ise thyroid gland no betimi asiesi ahusu amana broso de frɛ no hyperthyroidism. Empempi no se wo kwa yare sabia na ye omo solution na se omo treatment a omo se ye kwa akoye operation na ye yi thyroid gland na free ho ana se ye beyi ne fa ba bi afiri ho. Se wo kɔ ekoye sa operation ne pe na che se wo kwa na aka nyina no gise ye ma wo hormone eduro eye chemical ma wo no akopum se be free asase so and no so bo so bebre na oba ya so eye Dr. Marina aso eye a yesiesie eduro sonko a eye herbal natural medication a ye de be ma wo a obenom eduro no baako ye wo iodine eni chromium ni selenium ewo mu ni mienu no wo aka ebetimi ama thyroid gland no dwumadi a edi ni nyina no ahyehye pepepe enyo operation asem bia ena baako a aka nso no ebeboa ama tissues a ewo thyroid gland ni mu a yekese ni nyina ye den ebefiri ho ye to ya safro say fa wo yare a wo de ananti a wonya no aduro no ebra diamond ya so ye ewo nkran Kumase Takoradi ene Tamale afenso ubetima freye wo numbers ya e wo screen yi so na ya kire baby a ye branches ni nyina ewo Accra ubehu ye wo East Legon Oponglo traffic light ye ni Legon University Sports Stadium ene di enhwe Kumase nso ubehu ye wo TUC Junction a e ben Santase roundabout afenso ko Takoradi a Yewo Anaji opposite St. Peter's International School. Ena Tamale so yewo behind Kamina Barracks Star Oil Filling Station. The honum pepepe ubehu yasu ye ewo Tamale. Afenso Nigeria yewo Lagos Victoria Islands. Ubetuma call internet so www.dimedghana.com. Ena YouTube so Dimed TV no akohwe ye videos nyina ewo fa wo yare a wo de ananti a wonya no aduro no ebra diamond na eye wo last stop in medical services.